Hey guys, my name is Gabriel Showale and I'm the CEO of K-Show. Nah, that's not how we do it, man. It's your boy K-Show, and I'm here to talk about the Adobe Masterclass. The Adobe Masterclass focuses on graphics design, video editing, and motion graphics. And we're going to be showing you how to do that with Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. Yo, Gabriel, over to you, man. Lord have mercy on you. All right, guys, we're going to go on a short break right now. And when we return, we're going to talk about testimonies from past students of Adobe Masterclass. Hey guys, welcome back. Right now we're going to show you testimony videos from the past students of Adobe Masterclass. Keep it locked down.
My name is Bessie Jukodu.
Cute Sage, Samuel.
5 days and it's been an amazing time.
I've learned a lot.
It's very enlightening.
Oh wow.
Wonderful.
Surpassed my expectation.
Amazing and exciting.
What he's doing is exceptional.
I recommend this course to anyone.
K-Show concept all the way.
Amazing testimonials right there. If you're interested in joining the training, you can use the link in the description, and I'll see you at the training. Bye for now.
Jesus is Lord.